Hey guys, it's been a while since I videoed and I thought I would do a short video today. I got some stuff from Amazon that is the beginnings of me starting a business, and the boys and Jeremy are working on some wood, and I thought I would share a few updates with the house. So real quick, we'll go outside and see what they're doing with the banging because I can't talk and do my unboxing with the banging. So far, they've brought in the wood rack, which I've shared on here before. This is for our wood stove to put all of our wood in here, and of course I get to use the top for my stuff. And then they're building a wood rack out here basically under the eave so that our wood can stay dry.
Loaded my arms.
Yeah, well, you're not the only one who has to just load everybody else.
Do you need help unloading that one?
Nope.
So I already opened the boxes. I'll show you what I got in a second, but I really wanted to share real quick this shaver, which I shared on Instagram if you follow me. It's a Venus shaver, and it is designed for the private area, and it doesn't get a super close shave. It gets your hair really short though. And then Venus also sells a razor designed with several blades and for a really smooth shave down there, and I like it really good. Michaela didn't love it, but she's 15 too. So I've tried, this is number 2. Well, this is number 2 on this one because I dropped the first one in the shower and broke it. But I've tried another razor. After I broke that one, I bought a different one to try and hated it. Pulls hair, hate it. So I rebought this one, and it's by far my favorite one. I will link it down below, and it's in my Amazon store too, so you can find it, and the other razor too. So like I said, I already packaged them. So this is the hanger shaped like your body here. I thought this is prettier than like a mannequin. So it's like a rose gold color. I don't know if you can see it or not. And then I got some dark blue tissue paper. This kind of goes with the theme of my logo. And then I got some black bubble mailers, not too big. So like I said, this is the beginning products of a business I'm starting. I'm not ready to share what it is yet, but yeah, so I thought I would share what I got. So they went into our neighbor's woods who said they could go get wood, and they filled up the trailer yesterday, and so the boys are unloading that today because we're supposed to get a super drop in temperature. So it's going to be actually I think in the 20s at night and 30s during the day just this week, and it's supposed to warm back up. So they protected the house there, but there's the wood rack outside. So I haven't shared on here our updates on the house. I have shared a few on Instagram, but he has gotten so much done, and we completely did a plan shift and changed our design. So I'm going to show you that today. We had this whole concrete pad. You haven't hired anything else out, I don't think, have you, except the concrete, right? So he hasn't hired out any help, but he did all the framing, forming. He did all the forming of all of the concrete, and then we had this whole concrete pad poured by a group of guys, and that was amazing. It went so fast. But this was going to be an outdoor cook kitchen patio, and then over here was going to be another patio uncovered. This was going to be a covered outdoor cook kitchen patio, wash area, cook kitchen, everything like that, and then the doors going into the house there. But after he can't remember if he had the concrete pad poured or not, but he'd said something. Oh, that's what he said. He said in case we, or if we sell, anybody ever wanted to close that in, he was going to build it to where they could. And I was like, what? You mean you can close that in? So it got turned into our kitchen. So it's no longer an outdoor kitchen patio covered. It is going to be our big, beautiful kitchen. And I can't even tell you how excited I am. We've totally changed the layout plan of inside the house too. But this is the most exciting thing, is that I'm gonna have a big kitchen to cook in, and it's gonna be big enough to have plenty of counter space and cabinets and some freestanding things and a dining room kind of all in one. So I'm beyond excited for that. So kind of the layout here, you see, so this is a really big window here, and then you can see this is going to be covered. It'll be across there. This is a French door here, and then this will be a covered porch outside of our French doors out to an open patio. And then coming up into here, this is a door that goes inside to this area, which is all a laundry room. And then this area right here is a private little porch. Well, that will come out to the patio, but that we'll have French doors right here going into our bedroom. So then walking into the kitchen, so this will be a French doors here. I'm walking through, and then we turn over here. This window will be gone. So this will be a door through to the living room, and then there will be a wall probably about that wide there. The wood stove's behind this wall, so we'll just put something here, and then this will be a doorway open to an entranceway into the house, because the front door is going to be the same front door. And then this over here, you can see how this comes out and jets out. This is going to be an enclosed floor-to-ceiling pantry. And then on this side of the kitchen, this is another fairly large window, and then this is kitchen wall. And then there's going to be 2 windows here with a corner a corner sink, and then the stove and stuff will come down here, and then there's that big window. I wanted an area big enough where I could put something, a big table, or not a big table, but like a wall table or a chair and a table or something like that over there. And then over here, I never showed you guys the finished wall and stairs. So he got this done a couple weeks ago. The wall we picked out, I shared us shopping for this capstone and stuff. So this is the wall color, just the light gray, and then the capstone. You can't see, but it kind of pops down there, and another little wall here. And then our flower beds, I think you've seen that. And then the stairs we did with the capstone, which are so pretty. And he did shallow, wide stairs, and then a concrete pad up here. We have plans for the backyard. This is where our pool was. But we have plans for the backyard, and so that little concrete pad there is going to lead to the next phase when we get there. And then back here, the plan remains the same. So like I said, a door here walking into the laundry room, and then you'll come out of the laundry room and walk, and then this way will be our bedroom door, and then that will be our master bathroom, and back there will be our master closet. And then up here in this square will be a big kid guest bathroom, and this will just be open to the rest of the house. So I have one more little update. I was just gonna show you the pigs real quick, and then I wanted to keep this video really short and sweet. So we'll give you a shot of the pigs, and then we will talk to you later. Pigs literally grow so fast, as you guys know. If you've ever raised like a feeder pig, it usually only takes 6 months. So the boys went and found them a ton of acorns today. They've had scraps, they've had curdled milk. They are spoiled. You can see how round and beautiful their bellies are. They're so full. I can't remember if I saved, I think I actually deleted, but the pig clips. I had a couple videos of them playing in water. They absolutely love to play in water like a sprinkler. They were literally dancing and moving their little pig tushes. They were so happy and excited. So this is their area. It's quite a large area, and if you've ever had pigs or known anything about pigs, they pretty much ruin any ground that they're on. So to grow grass where pigs are is nearly impossible unless you just move them every day. But going up here, this is our garden that we let go, our upper garden that we let go, and it got taken over by weeds. All the dry stuff actually is flowers. I'm a lot of breath from walking up here, but we are gonna open this up and let them eat what's left out of here. That's our next little project here. We had the boys take down the cattle panels and the T-posts from the back garden. That's also an absolute mess. But we had to take those down because we're gonna move them up here for the pigs to run in. And then I will run the pigs in the back garden too, like I did last year with the pigs that we had. And then hopefully they will help kind of recover the garden and get a lot of it out. And then I'll probably cover both gardens with some cardboard and mulch or wood chips and kind of start over. We're gonna plant lots of fruit is our goal. I'll still have some spots for vegetables because the kids like to eat vegetables, and we'll probably do some fermented veggies. So I'll probably still grow that stuff, and also can because I fix the kids chili and soups and stuff like that still. So I do need some vegetables, but it will be very small, and most of the garden will be fruit and flowers.